Welcome to Vevos. We believe that modern business process management shouldn't require an army of developers or months of consulting. It should be simple, intuitive, and powered by AI. Let's look at how we take a process from a raw idea to a fully deployed enterprise application in just a few minutes. We start here in the main dashboard. This is where you manage your organization's workflows. To begin, we aren't going to open a complex editor. We're simply going to click New Process. For this demo, we'll build a PTO approval system, a classic use case that usually involves messy email chains or expensive HR software. We give it a title and a basic description. Now, pay attention to this interface. We aren't dragging boxes yet. We are using the Vevos AI Assistant. We can interact with the system using natural language. You simply describe the business logic. I need a request form, a manager approval step, and a rejection loop. You can be as vague or as specific as you like. The AI understands intent, roles, and standard business routing. And there it is. In seconds, Vevos constructs a standard BPMN diagram. It didn't just draw pictures, it understood the logic. It created the start events, the decision gateways for approved or rejected, and the end states. We're almost done. What is missing, you might wonder? The part everyone dreads. Documentation. Usually this is outdated the moment you write it. But with Vevos, we click the Documentation tab and the Auto-Generate button. The AI analyzes the flow and writes a comprehensive guide, including stakeholder roles, business rules, and risk considerations. You can even toggle this to public. This creates a secure, shareable link, perfect for keeping your team aligned or sending to external auditors without giving them system access. It's always live, and always in sync with your diagram. But a diagram is just a picture until it runs. Let's click Automate Process. This initiates the software development lifecycle. First, the system analyzes your process to determine the optimal technical architecture. We configure the basics, notifications, login methods, and user roles in just a few clicks. This step is powerful. You can inject specific requirements into the build, effectively writing a product requirements document in one sentence. We'll ask for specific icons and distinct user roles. Now, look at the chat. This is the Conductor agent system in action. We aren't just using a template, we have a dedicated AI engineering team working for us. The product manager agent reviews our request and turns it into detailed specifications. The architect agent is analyzing the specification to design the technical structure. The software engineer agent then writes the actual production-ready code. And finally, the orchestrator coordinates the entire team to ensure seamless execution. The build is complete. Let's open the application. This is the PTO Manager. It's not a generic form. It's a fully responsive, modern web app specifically generated by the builder agent for our unique process. We log in as the admin. You see the dashboard? It has the specific user management capabilities we asked for. The application logic matches our diagram perfectly. Back in Vevos, we have full visibility over the application lifecycle. We can see the build history, the version details, and the current status. When you're ready to move from testing to production, you don't need an IT team. You click Promote to Live. Vevos handles the database migrations intelligently, comparing schema changes and applying them safely to ensure no data is lost. And just like that, the new version is live in production. We have gone from a raw idea to a deployed, secure, and documented application in only a few minutes. But there is one final challenge. Discovery. How do your employees actually find this new tool? They don't need to bookmark a URL. They simply use the Vevos search assistant. An employee asks, "How do I file PTO?" The system uses semantic search to understand the intent. It finds the PTO approval app we just built and deep links the user directly to it. It closes the loop between the process creator and the process user. Frictionless creation, instant documentation, and seamless discovery. This is Vevos,